Hi everybody, I'm doing another unboxing of another Oracle. This one really appeals to the child inside me. I love glitter, I love sparklies, and I love animals. I love going to the zoo, flowers. I love to play on the dinosaurs at the zoo. They took them away the last time I was there. I loved feeding the giraffes. This just really appeals to the innocence inside of me. I'm a life path 9, but I still very strongly connected to the child within me. So wait till you see the backs of this. I hope it shows up in this video. It's very glittery, white glitter. Okay, come on out. Oh, magnetic. Boy, do I feel silly. So it's got a thing for downloading your app. I know a lot of people like doing apps, but I like shuffling my cards. I like using the physical cards. It feels good to me. You can read this and pause and read it. See, oh, isn't that gorgeous? It looks like a Candyland and the Pirates of the Caribbean Golden Treasure. Okay, let me show you the back. Oh my God, I love that so much. It feels so good. This is what it looks like outside when the dogs have to go to the bathroom at 3 in the morning and the snow is fresh and there's a full moon. This is what the snow looks like. It is so beautiful and magical. Okay, abundance, chivalry. These don't stick too bad. Commitment, there's a little, but it's not bad. Compatibility, oh, I want to go back see the swans. Oh, that's what it's on the cover, but it's beautiful. Compatibility, connection, creativity, dating, Romeo and Juliet, the distorted feminine, distorted masculine, oh, the divine feminine. She's got a cherry and pear tree hair. The divine masculine. He's beautiful like the lion. I always thought the woman should have, the female lion should have that beautiful hair, not the guy. Emotional freedom. Oh, the Pegasus and the bunny, an owl. Truly beautiful. Forgiveness. Where is it that it works just right? Garden. The gardener. Inner peace. Intimacy. I like having a bath with my husband in the candlelight. So relaxing, and it's so wonderful to connect that way. Life purpose, love, luminosity, manifestation. Yes, we can manifest and make our lives whatever we want. Keep your head in the positive direction so it will keep you doing the positive steps to make what you want happen. The Rainbow Reviver. Reparenting yourself. So many of us have to do that. Coming from child abuse, you definitely have to do that. Resolving conflict. The Sacred Woman. Self-respect. One of the most important things everybody needs. It means self-love, having your boundaries, taking care of yourself and not letting others cross it, your boundaries. Serendipity. That was a movie with the ice cream. That's what I think about with serendipity. Sexual freedom. Sexual freedom is wonderful. Not to be inhibited. Sexuality. We should all enjoy our sexuality. It's a wonderful gift. Silver waterfall. Oh my God, that's beautiful. I want to be naked under that waterfall. Soulmates. Spiritual maturity. Worthiness. The yin and the yin and the yang. Let's see how this shuffles. Okay, it's a little big for me to be doing it this way. I might have to do it this way. I'm not used to doing it this way. I am so used to doing it this way, but it's really stretching my hand to be this way. Let's see if I can shuffle the corners. Yes, I can. I am having slightly harder time with this. Let's see how big it is compared to the one I just opened. It doesn't look bigger, but I'm having a harder time handling it. Doesn't feel any slicker. These are glossy. Just a little hard. My fingers are stretched to the max doing this. So riffle shuffling is much better on this. Let's pick the energy of this deck. The yin and the yang. Let's see what it has to say about that. Page 90. Oh, let's see. There is an introduction and a how to use the cards. So there's probably also spreads in here. Yes, there's the traditional 3-card spread. Okay, let's go page 90. Oh, and this book is in color. How awesome. Strive for harmony and balance in your inner and outer life through change, reflection, and growth. Okay, it doesn't have this little saying on here, which could be really nice. I always like that little saying. Okay. Love, relationships, and life in general are infused with the yin and the yang energies of both feminine and masculine. When feminine and masculine energies flow well together and around each other, you will be blessed with harmony, balance, and abundance and joy. When there is too much of one energy or when one is weak, you will be challenged in certain areas of your life and relationship. In an existing relationship, there may be too much yin if the female is dominant in some way. Maybe the home is too pretty and the male cannot find peace where he feels comfortable, or their lives have become all about children and the sexual yang energy has disappeared. If there is too much yang present, the female will feel suppressed or controlled. Whatever the imbalance, it needs to be addressed. If you are seeking your soulmate, take a moment to sit quietly and in tune with your own balance of yin. There we go. And yang. Do you have a tendency to be too passive, too much yin, with a potential partner, or too aggressive, too much yang? If you always let the other person make a decision, or if you're always the one trying to make something happen, then it's time to create more balance. If you are drawn, focus, drawn this card today so that you can consider the levels of yin and yang in your life. Make adjustments when necessary. Make the required changes in your behavior, environment, and even your wardrobe. Outer change must be accompanied by inner reflection and growth. Heck, sometimes I change my incense I use or an anointing oil just because it changes my mood. It really uplifts me doing that. It's a wonderful thing to do. So I could see changing your wardrobe for the day could do that. Contemplate the yin and the yang symbol, then close your eyes and meditate on the feelings, energies being balanced, harmonious once more. Call in whichever one you feel need more of, and wear a yin and yang symbol as a pendant or even a stronger connection to the balance and harmony it depicts. Okay. I am going to have fun with this deck too. I just love it. This is so appeals to the child in me. So I hope you enjoyed this. If you liked it, please subscribe to my channel and give me suggestions what you would like to see or whatever. If you want to see my crystals, my collection, let me know. Thank you, everybody. Bye.